Hi friends, it is Ileana, aka the Fab You. If this stumbled upon your page, maybe you're into spirituality, little crystals, that kind of thing. I'm currently rebranding all of the fabulous world because I'm a visual concept designer by trade. You know, I'm an artist, but I'm focusing on hopefully having my music out soon and also establishing myself as an influencer on my new account, Ileana Godchild. So please check out the description below if you want to check out the fabulous word. But the fabulous world. But I wanted to say, this page is all gonna be about me showcasing my healing journey because I've been through a lot. Like blurb, 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 everything blurb, my love. So if you are on that same boat, you're the black sheep of the family, and that's my little doggy needing my attention. Sorry about that. She wanted me to put the blanket over her. But I wanted to say that this is going to be a page that I offer my services as like life spiritual coach, which is still I'm working on my new website, but because I just started my boutique back in 2020, the Fab Shack, so shameless plug, and I just catered to vintage designer items, and then I started dabbling into a little bit stationery, of course vintage, Y2K 90s, retro, that kind of little bits and pieces. But it was mainly vintage designer. And then through my healing journey, I was like, I really want to showcase items that have been helping me as well. Like, helping me ground myself, ground my energy, feel better, heal my traumas, that kind of thing. So, I was here setting up my little bedroom feng shui because if you didn't know, if you're watching it on March 13th today, I believe it is. Today we have the full moon here in California, SoCal. So shout out to if you're SoCal, if you live in SoCal too. I was lighting up my candle, so I wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit. I know it's very personal, but we're getting ready to like start new and fresh. So I was like, you know what? Let me show you guys a little bit of like what I have here in my little bedroom corner, because I'm also gonna stock up my favorite incense. These are from Calvita. They are an Hindu company, and I really really like them, and I'm soon gonna be able to carry them on my shop. Like as I said, I'm doing a whole rebrand, so bear with me, but you can shop a few of the vintage designer items still available on my website and as well on my Depop shop. Just check the description down below for more information if you want to support. So I appreciate you for being here. So yeah, let's stock up these up. So yeah, check them out. I buy them on Amazon. They have so many flavors and scents. They use upcycled temple flowers and natural ingredients, and they also are providing work to women. Cause come on, we all deserve to earn that extra cash, mama. Okay, so yeah, let's stock these up and let me give you guys a little bit of a tour. So like I said, this is Ileana, aka the Fab You. So please follow the journey because we're just getting started from scratch again. I've been a beautiful healing journey. I'm just really grateful to be where I am and offer my stories, my healing stories of never giving up, keeping my faith, following my heart and just going with the flow and trusting divine timing. Just I'm just so excited. So yeah, please check out the Fabulous World affiliated accounts down below, that way you don't miss out, because I don't post on as much in here anymore. I'm posting more on my Ileana Godchild page, which is me, my personal stuff, and I'm gonna be showing my entertainment side, my influencer side, that kind of jazz. So yeah, let's just give you a little bit of a tour. Okay, so first things first, this is a little pan of what I have going on right now. Like I said, these are the Incense, Calvita. I burn Madagascar Vanilla and Radiant Rose. These are my two favorite flavors to burn in my room. And I also have my grounding candle. These guys are fabulous. Please check them out, Spellbound Sky. It is a shop based in Santa Monica and, LA area. And you can buy their City of Angels candle that supports families in the GoFundMe that were affected by the Palisades fires. I have that one in my bathroom. But just a little glance, of course, I have my little doggy treats. I thrifted this beautiful, what is it called? Give me a second. As I was saying, this is a Precious Moments snow globe. I love snow globes, so I have that here, for my angels. I thrifted this vintage silver little plate. And I just hold like some of the bracelets that I have, my crystal bracelets, as well as like some shells and feathers that I find. And then I am a Scorpio, so I have this lighter. I just need to fill it up, but I have it here for feng shui. And then you're probably wondering, what the hell is this, right? So these are all versions of me, pictures of me, because like I would say, I've been healing myself, been healing my trauma. So I have my baby self, my toddler self, and then that's when I was in 4th grade, as well as a picture. This was me when I turned 15. I did a little photo shoot. You know that I didn't even realize that, like, I creative directed it. I picked the location, I found the outfits. Of course it was a little bit of the hair and makeup was, of course, I don't want to get into it, but it wasn't the vision, but we pulled through. And then I have little cones here. These are incense cones, and I keep them in this vintage glass, silver. And then I have Haya, which is one of my doggies, that mama that passed away, as you can hear her in the background. That's crazy. I forgot to say that I also got this recently from Spellbound Sky. And then I don't smoke anymore, but I keep that here from my ancestors, just in case I want to dabble in a little bit. And then these are little collars that were from my doggies that passed away, my Tusita, Nene, and Mama Joy. And yeah, so I have this hard crystal vase that I have here, that's where I keep my incense. So I was like, oh, let me show you guys a little bit, because this is also part of, a little bit of the content that I want to show here on the Fabio, because it is helping me heal and feel better. And I love burning shit. Let's be real. And then I forgot to say that that's a vintage rose that I thrifted a while ago. And then I have a jade bracelet that my grandma, Abuelita Rosa, gave to me. She was very in tune as well, so I know I definitely got my gifts from her. So I just keep that like that to, good homage. And then that was, Hayel and I, we both had the same lotion back when I still bought stuff and Bath and Body Works. So if you know, you know that scent is fabulous. But we don't fucks with them no more because, well, I haven't checked, but they test on animals. I'm vegan and I'm against that, so I don't know. So double check. Hopefully they don't anymore. So anyways, because, I'm a rambler and I'm already 7 minutes in. I'm like, how? So I'm gonna open these up and I'm just gonna add a few. Like I said, I get the Madagascar and the Radiant Rose. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that, because meanwhile, I make my website, because I do everything myself. It takes me a while, and then I'm also, like I said, I'm healing. Not every day I feel the best. I'm very grateful that I don't work a 9 to 5 anymore. But as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you're always working. So some days, like, you know I might have like a late start because I don't feel so good in the morning, but then I end up staying late because then I feel good, then I catch up on work, you know what I mean? But as I was saying, so just follow if you vibe with my energy. I'm going to be, you can reference back my YouTube. I was doing these videos every week called the Weekly Chit-Chat, where I just tap into the energy using oracles and just kind of like what I'm feeling. So you can definitely watch those. They're timeless, if you're vibing with the title and that kind of thing. And then I was posting a little bit of like some moon messages of like, I'm just here to showcase, like, and be an asset to you guys, that like, hey, this is the tea, this is what's around, this is what helping me out. That's the forte of this, the fabulous you, because it's about you building your own fabulous self. That's what it always was, even before I was just like talking about fashion, because I mean, you can't take the fashion girl out of me, you know what I'm saying? And that's it, friends. That's where I usually keep my little incense. So I know, long freaking rant, but just wanted to post something here on the Fabio. Like I said, I haven't been posting as much here, so please check out the description below if you've been staying and watching the whole video. I really appreciate you. I hope you're having a fabulous start to the week. The weekend's almost here. Just remember, you got this. I know a lot of things are going on in the world. I know life's getting rougher out there. We got a lot of things going on, but just keep the faith, trust the process, and never give up, okay? Things happen, but some things just happen to those that can withstand, so don't dabble in low vibrational energies. Stay true to yourself, stay grounded, stay hydrated, drink water, and stay freaking fabulous, okay? I'll see you all very soon. And I love you. I appreciate you being here. All right. Peace and love. P.S. This is how I usually have them burning at the same time. Okay, bye.